Welcome to the 5th episode of Ease of Cooking with Ruchikootu. Today we'll learn how to prepare some lip-smacking green chili chicken fry. And for this, we'll need 500 grams of chicken, 3 to 4 small slices of ginger, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 8 green chilies, and a fistful of coriander leaves. Transfer all these ingredients to a mixer jar and grind really well. To this, add the juice of 1 lemon, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, an egg, one tablespoon of pepper, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix these really well. Now add the chicken pieces to this mixture. Mix these really well. Keep aside the marinade for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, fry the chicken in a refined oil. Fry the chicken for 15 minutes in medium flame. Turn the sides as and when necessary. With this, our simple yet super tasty dish is ready. Do try this lip-smacking recipe and tell us about it. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you liked it, please do like, share and comment. Also, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive further notifications about our future videos.